let's unbox this beautiful package from Blushbox Kenya, and I can see it's all Jeffree Star products. So let's get into it. Oops. Right, let's just get into it. I'm gonna show you each and every product, starting with the palette. I don't know if I can show you this. Let me use the Jeffree Star fingers. Also, whose manicure is better, mine or Jeffree's? Like, mine ain't that bad. But this is the Orgy 2 palette. I actually thought, because I kind of could see through the package, I thought it was going to be the Orgy 1 palette, which has beautiful nude shades. But this is the Orgy 2, and let's just open it. And this is the O2 palette. It's so gorgeous. I know it has nudes, but this palette also has like metallics. Ooh, oh no, mine, probably my fault because I dropped the palette, but this one right here, it crashed, but that's okay. Let me just put it this way so it doesn't just fall. But look at this gorgeous palette. Like, there is nudes, well, the whole palette is nudes, but there's mattes, there's shimmers, there's light, dark, everything. And of course there's a mirror right here as well. And let me just put it back before I make a mess of myself. Whew. But ooh, and it's such a pretty shade, like, ooh. All right, it's okay, it's fine, we move on. Tears. Oh, and soft. All right, on to the next two products. This is Magic Star, and I can see here saying Pink Cashmere and Rose, and I'm not sure what they are. They could be either powders or I'm thinking highlighters. So let's open Pink Cashmere. Let's open this side that is not sealed because I can't open things on camera. Having nails does not help. Okay, we got it. Oh, it's a powder, guys. Ooh! Oh, it's so pretty. Look at that. Let's just open it quickly. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, so it has a nice mechanism of opening and closing. I just need to figure it out how to go about it. Oh, got it. Right, so you just have to spin the thing because, yeah, there's the pink powder here that I have to remove the seal. Got it. And that's why the powder comes out from. Ooh, it's pretty and it's soft. Oh, that is soft. This is perfect. And this is rose or rosé. Rose. Let's just open it. All right. This is the shade, or rather, right? Again, let's twist. Remove the seal. Woo! And this is the shade. This is more a peachy toned powder compared to this one, but this is the pink one. So look at that. These are so pretty. These are definitely for like fairer tones, but I'm sure they do have powders for like darker skin tones as well. All right, we have the gloss. All right, so I'm assuming these are glosses because it's in the name. Let's see what shade we have. We have Control Freak and Candy Drip. Let's open it. Let's just use this side. Opening things with long nails is not easy. This is which shade? I'm opening Control Freak. And of course, me being me, I open things the other way around, like from the bottom up. Okay. right, managing. Ooh! And of course, I had to ruin the package, but look at this. This is so pretty. This is gorgeous. Oh, it smells so good. It smells of vanilla. Oh, I'm so tempted of putting it on, but I don't want to ruin the applicator with the color that I have on. So we're going to try that with maybe something else on my lips. But this is so pretty. Let's open the other one. Okay. This one's easier. Oh, I see shimmer. Ooh, this is so gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, gorgeous. Oh, and it smells just as phenomenal. And the last two products, I already know what this is, and this is super exciting because I've been eyeing and dying to get this. This is the eyeliner. It is the Beach Proof. We're talking about the beach, like at the sea. Yeah, beach proof, that kind of beach. So this eyeliner has like a felt tip applicator, and it's so dark. Just look at that. So if you want to do like super thin lines, like compare this thin line to like this thick one. You can do thicker lines, you can do thinner lines. You can have like a really good control with this eyeliner, and also it's super lightweight, and it has like a ball mechanism inside, so your product doesn't dry up. Last product is a lipstick, and I can see here it's Redrum, and oh, I love reds. Let's just open it, do a swatch. This shade is just gorgeous. Let's just do a swatch and see what it looks like. Ooh, this is the perfect red. This is just gorgeous. These are all the new Jeffree Star products available at Blushbox Kenya, so do check them out and get yourself some. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.